White laser marking on metal.
To make bright, streak-free white marks, use cross-hatching filling for laser polishing. 1. Open the hatch function. Set the first fill layer to O with a line width of 0.08 mm. Set the second hatch layer to 90 with a line width of 0.06 mm. Key tip: adjust settings separately for types of hatch. Click Pen 1. Slower speed, higher power. Click Pen 2. Higher speed, lower power. Start marking test. The first high-power pass whitens the surface, then the second light pass clean streaks away, giving you a smooth, even white finish.